Hello everyone. Welcome back to Manufacturing Insights, where we simplify SAP PPDS concepts with the practical manufacturing examples. In our previous videos, we covered PPDS basics, planning process, heuristics, scheduling, and setup matrix. But here is an important question. What happens after planning and scheduling are complete? Can we simply assume everything will execute as planned? Unfortunately, the answer is no. Materials may become unavailable, machines may become overloaded, orders may miss their due dates, or resources may break down. SAP PPDS helps planners identify these issues before production is affected using a powerful tool called the Alert Monitor. By the end of this video, you will understand what Alert Monitor is, why it is important, types of alerts, how planners use it daily, and the business benefits. Let's begin. Let's talk about why do we need Alert Monitor. Imagine you are responsible for planning 500 production orders every day. Everything looks perfect after planning, but overnight, materials may not be available, a machine get breakdown, so resource might be overloaded, orders got delayed, or the scheduling may conflict. Would you manually check every production order? That is almost impossible. Instead, SAP automatically identify these issues and present them in one place. That place is called the PPDS Alert Monitor. Think of it as a dashboard that tells planners, these are all the orders that need your attention. Next, we talk about what is Alert Monitor. The Alert Monitor is a centralized monitoring tool in SAP PPDS. It continuously checks production plans for exceptions and planning issues. Instead of searching through thousands of planned orders, the planner only focuses on orders with the problems. The Alert Monitor highlights capacity overloads, missing components, order delays, resource conflicts, then scheduling conflicts. This allows planners to act proactively rather than reacting after production is already impacted. Let's look at some of the most common alerts. Capacity overload. That means a resource has more work than available capacity. The next one is missing components. That means to produce the header material, a component or raw material may not available. That is called missing components. So the third one is order delay. An order cannot be completed before its required date. The next one is a resource conflict. That means multiple orders require the same resource at the same time. The next one we'll see scheduling issues. The production sequence or scheduling violates planning rules. So each alert informs the planners exactly where attention is required. The next we will see how Alert Monitor fits into the PPDS process flow. First, we start with the demand. The demand creates the requirements. It may be a planned independent requirement or the customer requirement. Heuristics generates the plan order to satisfy this demand. As part of output, the plan order will be created to satisfy this demand. Then scheduling and detailed sequencing will be performed as part of scheduling activities. Then evaluation happens. based on the scheduling, whether the business rules or the constraints, is it violated or not. Then the alert monitor comes in. The alert monitor will generate the alerts based on the defined rule. Based on these alerts, the planner needs to take action, and if any corrective action is required, the planner needs to resolve those issues. Now, after doing this corrective action, the plan will be an executable plan, and now the plan is ready to execute. Now let's see how Alert Monitor identifies a problem. In this example, we'll take a factory has one packaging machine available for 8 hours in a day. We have two orders. Order A, it requires 5 hours in a day, and order B, it produces product B, it requires 4 hours in a day. So totally 9 hours required on the particular day, but available capacity is only 8 hours. So system generates the capacity overload because the available capacity is 8 hours, but the required load is 9 hours. So Alert Monitor highlights this issue immediately. Okay. Now the planner can reschedule the order. In one of these order, the planner can reschedule this, or the planner can use alternative resources, or change sequence, or split order. This is the corrective action the planner needs to take. Now let's see how planners resolve alerts. The alert monitor doesn't fix problems automatically. It helps planners identify problems quickly. The common actions include moving the production order to the another date, or change the date in the plan order or the production order. So assign the alternative resources, then change the sequence, or split the order quantity. So instead of a single order, multiple order can be generated by splitting the order, or else the heuristics can be run once again so that it will generate the feasible set of plan orders. Okay. So every company follows its own planning strategy, but Alert Monitor provides visibility before execution begins. Next one, we will see business benefits of Alert Monitor. So instead of discovering problems on the shop floor, planners detect them during planning. This leads to reduce production delays, better resource utilization, improved delivery performance, less manual monitoring, so higher planner productivity. So ultimately, it supports a more stable and reliable production schedule. Let's connect this with everything we have learned in previous videos. First thing, demand, then heuristics, plan orders, scheduling, setup matrix. The next comes as alert monitor, then planner review, then production execution. So notice that alert monitor is the final validation step before production begins. It ensures planners are aware of potential issues before execution. So let's summarize today's discussion. The PPDS Alert Monitor helps planners identify planning exceptions. It highlights capacity issues, missing materials, scheduling conflicts, and delayed orders. It allows planners to focus only on exceptions instead of reviewing every production order. Most importantly, it helps prevent production disturbance before they occur. That's why Alert Monitor is an essential daily tool for production planners. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you understand how SAP PPDS Alert Monitor supports better production planning. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Manufacturing Insights. In the next video, we will explore one of the most powerful visualization tools in SAP PPDS, the PPDS Planning Board, where planners can interactively view, sequence, and reschedule production orders. If you have any questions or topics you would like to cover, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.